guys, it is so freaking hot. I can't handle it. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, so, hey guys, we wanted to vlog today because we are actually packing up our house today. Wow, that mailman just got so close to my car. We are actually packing up our house today to, like, get everything out of it. So we pretty much got most of our stuff out of it a while ago, but all of our, like, big furniture is still left. So we are getting all of that stuff out of our house today, because we are going, today is Tuesday, we're going to the beach on Sunday, and we'll be gone for a week, and when we get back, it's, like 5 days, I think. I don't know, it's, like, only a few days until, the people who bought our house move. So, we obviously need to get everything out of our house so that they can move into an empty house and not just have our stuff in there. So, that's what we are doing today, and a little update on our moving into a new house situation. If you don't follow us on Twitter, I have been trying to update a little bit on there. But, so if you don't follow us, you should go follow us there. But, we did go see a house on Saturday, and we really, really liked it. We actually weren't expecting to like it. It came up on the market, and we, like, where we're moving, the market is, like, so, like, low. Like, there's, like, no houses. There's, like, literally 4 total on the market that fit, like, any of our criteria, and none of them really even fit all of our criteria, except the one that came up on the market on Friday that we went to see on Saturday. And we didn't think we were gonna like it because it's a lot smaller than the house we originally had bought, but we decided to go see it anyway, and we ended up loving it. And so we put an offer on it, and we are still, like, negotiating that with the owners. So basically, without, like, getting into, like, too much detail, they, like, want more from us than my parents want to give them, kind of. So we don't really know what's gonna happen with that. Fingers crossed that we get it. Like, there's really no way to tell either way whether or not we're gonna get the house. So I don't know, but that is the update on that. We have put an offer on another house, so hopefully we can get that house. But if not, then I don't really freaking know what we're gonna do, because, like I said, like, there are no houses on the market where we're trying to move to, so it's, like, really frustrating. But yeah, so today also happens to be our 5-year YouTube anniversary on this channel, which is so crazy to me. I cannot believe it was 5 years ago that we made our first video, or we uploaded our first video on this channel. That is insane to me. I just wanted to say on behalf of myself, but Katelyn as well, that we are so thankful and appreciative to every single one of you who has supported us and shown us so much love and support since however long you've been subscribed. Every single subscriber means so much to us. I get so excited watching our numbers go up and seeing new people comment and seeing new people follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and it just makes us so happy. So thank you guys so much for all the support and love you've given us over the last 5 years. Here's to another 5. I can't wait to see where we will be 5 years from now. And yeah, that's just, it's so crazy to me that it's been 5 years already. Like, it seems like we just made that channel, this channel. Like, I can't believe it's already been that. So right now it is 11:37. I'm going to go get my nails done, and then we are moving. The moving truck is, like, we're getting it at 1, like, we reserved it for 1. So that's when we're gonna start moving. So when I finish getting my nails done, it'll probably be 1 or close to 1, or, like, right after 1. So I'm gonna go and meet my family over at our old house to help them move, and then I actually work tonight, so I'm not gonna be able to help them for that long because I'm gonna have to go to work. But Katelyn is Maddie's coming over today, and so Katelyn will vlog with her and whatever. But yeah, hopefully this vlog is, like, not too boring. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna be able to get, but I just know that a lot of you wanted to see moving vlogs, and this is a moving vlog, so I'm gonna try my best.
Basically just, it was supposed to be a scary prank because I look like a clown.
Well, you always look like a clown.
Yeah. I got this clown wig from my SFT video. If you haven't seen it, link will be down below. For SFT, I don't even know when this video is going up compared to this video. But I'm wearing my clown wig. I tried to scare Leanna and she didn't like it. So. Did you? Let's go. perfectly. She just wanted it.
Okay, so I just got out of getting my nails done. It's currently 1:06, so that took, like, by the time I sat down, it probably was, like, a little over an hour, so it wasn't bad. The lady who did my nails, I've never actually had her do them before. This is the same place I always go to. It's the only place I've ever gotten my nails done. And, like, some of their nail techs I really like, but some of them are just not good at their job. And I just, like, the reason I keep going here, because, like, I feel like I could find a better nail place, but I'm comfortable there, and, like, part of my social anxiety, like, I just don't like to do new things. So, like, once I'm comfortable somewhere, like, I just want to stay there, even if I'm, like, not, like, necessarily as happy as I could be there, which sounds so dumb, but, like, I don't know, like, that's just the way I am, like. But the lady who did them, I've never actually even seen her before, but all my nails had come off. Like, I get my nails done every 2 weeks. Like, I just constantly get acrylics done. And I got my nails done 2 weeks ago, and I, first of all, hated the color I picked, but I was like, whatever. Like, when she painted them, I was like, oh my god, like, I did not realize, because I was just trying to get, like, a hot pink, and they were, like, neon pink, and I hated it. And then also, she didn't really do a good job. It was the first time I'd ever had my nails done by that lady, too, and, like, I just didn't feel like she did that great of a job. So, they all ended up coming off, and, like, half of them I ripped off out of anger, and I just didn't really like them. So, when I went to get them done today, my actual nails were, like, so jacked up from having ripped them off so aggressive. And I think a lot of that also had to do with the fact that the lady who did them just did not do a good job, and so they were just, like, really messed up. And the lady who's doing them today was like, did you get your nails done here last time? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, who did them? And, like, you could just tell that she was like, what? Like, I cannot believe that, like, one of the people I work with just, like, did that. But so she did them. She did such a good job. I've gotten this color before, but I really liked it, and I got them a little bit longer than I normally get them, so they look really good. She paid, like, so much attention to detail. She was, like, going through filing them, like, over and over. Like, she was not messing up. Like, even after she had done them completely and they were dry and she had done the top coat and everything, she still was like, wait, like, let me fix this one thing. And so I was really happy with her, and they look super good. So now it's 1:08, so I'm gonna go over to my old house and help my family start packing, and yeah. Alright, so we're at the house. We got Maddie, we got Caitlin, we got TJ and Leanna and Alex. So it seems really small in here because we've been, like, living with my grandparents, and they have a really big house, and then also we've just been seeing, like, bigger houses, so it just feels, like, so small, doesn't it? Wait, where are you?
Me and Maddie got the job of deflating the mattress. I didn't even know my parents' mattress deflated, so yeah, we just had to lay here and let it deflate. I know, I'm like, my back is starting to get hard to walk. It's great. Yeah.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me.
Okay, so we deflated the bed. My hair looks like I literally am insane, but we zipped it all up. It's all nice and good. Everyone else is, like, moving furniture and doing productive things, and we're standing here like, what do we do now? So it's great.
There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
They're making things fit into the truck. How's it going in here, guys?
Great.
It's like a game of Tetris.
Yeah, it really is. It's sister sweaty.
And
My hair's getting even worse.
Yeah, it's really hot.
I liked your 5-year pictures with the big balloon.
Thanks.
They were so cute.
Actually, Leanna took them for us.
It's adorable.
Thanks.
So we are almost done moving everything out of the house. So I'm gonna do a final walkthrough for you guys because Kylie really wanted me to. I'm gonna try to be quick so I don't get in trouble. Oh, really? It's so weird that it's, like, it being empty. So this is the whole main level. Let's go upstairs in TJ's room. And in my room. This is the only room I've ever had. So, well, actually, and besides our very old house. Say goodbye to the bathroom. Don't know why. Then my parents' room. And look how much bigger their closet is than we ever even noticed it was, because it had so much stuff in it. But now that it's empty, it's actually a lot bigger than we like remember. And then down the stairs. It's kind of messy on the floor because there's a couch there. Kylie and his bathroom, they just redone. Kylie's kind of sad about leaving that, but the room, and it's so small, and this is the biggest room in our house. It's so weird. Not in our house, but in like, besides the master bedroom. But, and it's so yellow in here, they actually painted it yellow. And then the laundry room. That's it. It's pretty sad.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were going.
There's a dead bug in the, so my hair's like a wreck. But it's pretty sad leaving this house because we've been living in it for almost 15 years. So it's pretty insane, but I'm very, very excited to move, and hopefully we can like get a house, you know? Mm-hmm. I look like a wreck because I've been like sweating and it's like humid.
Because like this light made me look white.
You are white.
Well, I mean like white.
Hey guys, I look really rough, and also this lighting is really weird, but I just wanted to jump in and end this vlog. I don't know what the last clip you saw was, because I had to leave. We were packing up our house like you saw, and I had to leave, and so I told Katelyn to vlog, but like half of the time, actually I would say like 80% of the time when I tell her to vlog, she doesn't, because she forgets. So I don't know if she actually vlogged anything, and I highly doubt she ended the vlog, so I figured now that I just got home, I would go ahead and do that. But before I end the vlog, I just wanted to say that earlier in this vlog, I was talking about the house we went and sold that we put an offer on, and our offer got accepted. So we are going to be buying that house, hopefully. I don't even want to say that because last time we thought we were buying a house, we like ended up not being able to buy the house. But like, fingers crossed that everything goes well and we can actually buy this. So, if things go well and we get to buy this house, if things go the way they should, we will be closing on the house on August 31st, but then the current owners of the house want to rent it back from us for a month, because actually I don't really know why they want to do that, but so we agreed to let them do that, obviously, or else they probably wouldn't have even accepted our offer. So they're going to be renting it back for us for a month, so we'll actually be moving in on September 28th. So we still have a couple of months, but it's really exciting that we like actually have a house that we like love and we get to move into. So in the next couple of months, we're looking forward to like the fun part of moving, like buying new furniture and decor and getting to do room tours and stuff. But yeah, that's really exciting news that they accepted our offer, so we are buying this house. And normally you would just be like, yay, we're buying a house, like we're gonna move into this house in a couple months, but we can't feel that way because like everything else has gone so wrong, so I don't even trust it, but we'll see. Most likely we are buying this house. So that's exciting, and I can't wait for you guys to see it and everything. But I am super hungry, tired, and sweaty, so I'm gonna go inside now. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and end the vlog. So we will see you guys soon, hopefully. I don't know when this vlog is even going up, but hopefully we will see you guys in the next week or so. And yeah, peace, love, and ladybugs.